Now this illustration deals with the method to reduce clearing time in accordance with 240.87b. Now, reviewing that note, you know, it says C240.67a and b and NFPA 70E, Annex D. Now, this type of system, 240.87, is used so we can remove the instantaneous trip characteristic of a protection and allow a lower value of protection where we might clear within a quarter or a half cycle, and we would not expose the worker downstream on equipment to higher energy that an instantaneous trip type situation would allow flow. And we know 70E, the Annex D, along with the Annex K of 70E, tells us very clearly, the longer the current feeds the arc, the more hazardous energy is going to be produced. So looking at this information, part of, notice zone selecting interlock. This device provides that. Differential relaying, energy reducing maintenance and switching with local status indicator, energy reducing arc flash mitigation system is provided. The instantaneous trip setting is less than the available arcing current. Instantaneous override that is not less than the available arcing current. And then the approved equivalent means could be used to provide the same things, such as maybe current limiting fuses and other things, RK1 fuses and things of that item that it's talking about. But here we're just using a non-instantaneous trip type circuit breaker. You can put the instantaneous trip in, so it monitors all that. But you can also crank it out. So basically it provides, a manner of speaking, two paths, an instantaneous path and a low setting path that will not allow the current to feed the electrical arc for a long period of time, but a very limited short time. Now you can get into volume 2 again of the Stallcup's Electrical Design Book. And this 240.87b is explained in more detail. You can also go to the Annex D as in dog of 70E, as well as the Annex 0 in 70E, and read more about this type of a protection. But you can also go to the Stallcup's book, design book, and read more about it if it need be. But qualified people should only be having access to this type of equipment and be fully qualified to know what this type of equipment is providing. And that's what our figure 9-47A is illustrating, using a trip type circuit breaker with the settings that you see it could provide.